Hey guys, back again for part 2, Fates Collide Booster Box Pack opening. I didn't mention my name at the last video. My name's Dan. It was a good start at the minute. And I'd like to introduce my twin brother, Jay. That's J-A-Y. And I didn't show him the last video, so here we go. Hi. And he's going to be opening packs this video.
Yeah.
Let's do this. 9 packs.
I'm going to start with Zygarde first because, you know, I want to get his complete form, so hopefully we get it. Yeah. And starting off with Wormadam, Londrade, Bent Spoon, Golfita, Barnacle, Meowth, Whismur, Mincino, Reverse, Seal, and then we finish off with a regular rare Rotom. Yep, so I just put those two to the side. We're gonna open Mega Alakazam next, so yay. See the dealing already, lovely. Here's the code. Banter. So let's go with a Mega Catcher. Wigglypuff. Dugong, Deerling, Snivy, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Snubble, a reverse Delphox, and then finish it off with a regular, oh no, my bad, that's actually a holo Lucario. Nice to finish there. I do like that Lucario though, the background's really nice. Lugia, gotta love Lugia. One of the best Legis, but yeah. Hey ho. Here's the code. Yeah, just chuck it to the side. You got your Fennekin there. See him in a second. Alright. Energy. Breakson. Sorry if I can't pronounce the name properly. It's like Whimsicott. Yeah. Fennekin, Snubble, Seal, Bronzor, Cottony, a reverse Marok, and finish off with Superior. Nice. And now we've got a Delphox break. Let's open it up. Hello, Snivy. How you doing, buddy? There's the code. Lovely jubby. 3 to the back. 3 to the front. Blah, 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 blah. We have N. With Sora with him. Lovely. We have Helix Fossil Omninite. Ordino Spirit Link. I do like the Spirit Links. They're nice. Snivy, Fennekin, Jigglypuff, Railu, Seal, a reverse Railu, and finish off with a fucking holo white Kyurem. Look
Wow.
at him. That is very nice.
Okay, I've seen other boost packs openings, and I've not seen a white Kyurem before on one of them.
They should start doing ice type cards, I guess, because, you know, he's not really a water type, is he? Nice. 130 damage, look at that, that's bad. That's just mad. Alright. Those two to the side. Mega Alakazam, do your bidding of giving us luck. Use your magic. we have Dome Fossil Kabuto, Altaria Spirit Link, Pokemon Fan Club, Spoink, Diglett, Lavatar, Carbink, Jigglypuff, a reverse Old Amber Aerodactyl, and we finish off with a Kabutops. I do love that. It's like an old school card. Gotta love it. And then Zygarde. Here we go. Hopefully we get one of their forms. There's the code. Get rid of that. To the side. Right. Starting off with Braixen. Whimsicott, Fairy Garden, Meowth, Whismur, Minccino, Cottony, Solasis, a reverse Pokemon Fan Club, and we finish off with an Altaria EX. Yo! Yeah! I think they're full arts, I think they're known as, so yeah, that's a full art EX. Nice. And we put that to one side. Oh, I might have Lugia second last, so I'm going to go with Delphox. So hopefully, oh, we've got lovely Lavatar there. There's the code. You got it? Mm-hmm. Nice. Just to let you know, just for you lot to, you know, get these codes, just pause the video at the code and then you can just take it. Yeah. Lavatar, Carbink, Jigglypuff, Railu, Deerling, a reverse Mr. Mime, and Zygarde. And you got Kabuto. Yeah, I obviously forgotten to do the free thing, but yeah, hey ho.
Free from the back. Some people might be mistaken to do this, but if you like to excite yourself with a surprise at the end, always put 3 cards from the back to the front.
Yeah, my mistake on that, but hey ho. But yeah, we've got a lovely Zygarde out of that. Here's the code. Bada beam, bada boom. Right, this time 3 to the front. Omninite. Another Whimsicott. Duocean. Carbink. Deerling. Bronzer. Railu. Jigglypuff. Reverse Fennekin. And then we have Rheoniclus. Yeah. Can't pronounce that name. They're regular.
We're not that bad, honestly. Honestly, we're not that bad.
Hello, Gothita. Wheezing. Team Rocket's handiwork. Okay, Sinjino, Gothita, Meowth, Snivy, Solasis, Fennekin, a reverse random receiver, and we finish off with a holo rare Delphox.
How many packs have we got?
For that round, we only got your lovely Fallout Altaria EX.
And if you haven't seen the last part, that's a little hint to what we got on the first vid.
So hopefully you get to watch part 1. Well, you
go back,
you should
watch part 1. Crazy pools, and we will take this to next Monday, and we'll see you. Bye.